We risk our lives to fight Abacha, but Tinubu he run from Nigeria. Sule Lamido. Welcome country people to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, wetin you dey wait for? Make you do so now. Put on your notification button. E go alert you of our updates. Make you like, comment and share our videos. The former governor of Jigawa State, Sule Lamido, don accuse President Bola Ahmed Tinubu say he run from Nigeria during the dark days of military dictatorship, while others like them remain to confront the regime of the late General Sani Abacha. Lamido dey talk this one during one interview with Arise News, and the station come put the clip for their official X, formerly Twitter handle on Saturday, June 21, 2025. For the interview, Lamido challenge the story when they dey talk say President Tinubu he play a central role for the struggle for democracy for Nigeria, particularly during the military era. He come talk say unlike other activists when he remain for the country and risk their lives opposing Sani Abacha rule, he say Tinubu run from Nigeria and only return after the danger don pass. He say he run away, we stay behind, we fight Abacha. According to am, they detain am, all of them, Bola Ige, Iyorchia Ayu. He say dem fight Abacha because dem dey ready to risk their lives. Say but Tinubu run comot. Say e no dey the country and he only come back after the coast don clear for am to come back. Na so Lamido come talk. This talk of Sule Lamido so, e don dey stir comments from people from the social media space. You know, some dey talk say make the man no overrate himself, that there nobody know him name during the Abacha era, that nobody know him name, that the other names when him call, people know them. He say but his own name nobody know am. He say and truth be said, if you claim say you fight Abacha and you no run away, you no escape assassination and they no lock you up, then you dey lie. Because during the Abacha regime, that na the trademark allegedly, that if you dey Nigeria, is either they go attempt to kpai you or they go lock you up or you go run. So if you dey accuse Bola Tinubu say he run from Nigeria, that na because Bola Tinubu na financier of the Nadeko movement. Na dem dey look for the people when e dey sustain the Nadeko movement. Na the government that period dey look for. And of course, Oyibo when he talk say he who fights and run lives to fight another day, they get why they talk am. Because of these people when he finance Nadeko, he say na him make the fight succeed for Nigerians. And that some like others dey talk, nobody hear your name. You no go fit compare yourself with Tinubu for the fight for Nigerian democracy. According to this particular person, he say northerners dem they compromise for the war against Babangida and Abacha. He say and truth be said, the junta of these generals dem they no dey look for these people Now the other ones, them like the Tinubu, now they fight for, now they look for, make they incarcerate, because they believe say Nadeko, now Western group be all those ones when it stir the country against the military. Some others, they not get kind word for Sule Lamido. Say, you not be threat at that time to bother the powers that be there. No. He say, which life you risk? He say, you not do anything. He say, you just did desperate, make them hear you now. He say, the leaders of Nadeko, the main threat to Babangida and Abacha, they not even recognize you. Another one they talk. He say, waiting you they talk. Abacha na your brother. Abacha not look for you. Like the former speaker talk. He say, your involvement not be threat to Abacha. He say, and like we don't talk before, Tinubu na financier and a credible international link. He say, if Abacha succeed in capturing the way they capture you, they capture Tinubu. He say Tinubu for not last the second day. He say stop to the twist history. And because some of us, that is some of them, are part of her. He say you dey too insignificant for them to buy you. He say you may not like Tinubu. He say but make you not take away the June 12 struggle from him because of 2027. This opinion so, it carry weight because many people believe that President Tinubu they sustain the fight against the military junta. And so now because some of them they desperate, according to sources, to wrestle power from him for 2027, they put up histories when he not get basis for Nigeria. Somebody talk something too when it makes sense. He say you dey claim say the man run. He say of course the man run today alive. That na why he come back come become your president. So make you leave him alone. Make you leave him alone. Country people, how now they see this talk and counter talk by people when they not even hear their name for the June 12 struggle, but suddenly everybody they claim to be freedom fighter. How they go fit solve this problem? Now because of 2027, so how we go do and make we discredit Tinubu so that he go lose the sympathy when people get for him, or waiting be the game plan of Sule Lamido? Make you tell us your view for comment section.